when I see we can create art, I say, wow, I love this. This is where I am. This is what I love to do, and I wanna keep going. My name is Jorge Mora.
My name is Sara Mora.
We are PQ CNC Works. Our business is a manufacturing company. We offer service in the CNC area, especially in the mill area. We offer service pretty much the 99% is in metal. From there, it's different kinds: aluminum, copper, stainless steel, titanium, alloys, any kind. So we got pretty much 20 years experience doing this. For me, the CNC area, the engineering area is art. So it's where we put together too many things at the same time, where we got the passion, the love, the math. Don't matter if we are from Japan, from Central America, from United States, we talking the same language in engineering about numbers. The best practice to keep customers and getting customers is quality. Just one customer, just one part. But that part is high precision, high quality. It's like personal. But when we do 100,000 parts, do the same thing from the first one to the last one. When the customer grab the part, they see, okay, nobody did this before for me. So it's how we talking, is how we trying to speak ourselves, just in the quality in our products.